What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the lifestyle. My name is Omexav, and today I'm going to show you how to do YouTube just using your phone. So honestly, this can only work with iPhone users because all I've experienced is iPhone and I use iMovie. So Android people, anyways, iMovie has a new update where I don't know what the number is or anything. I just know that there's a newest update where you can use green screen, attach audio. That's pretty much all I know. That's all I use. I'm gonna show you guys what I would normally do when I edit and how to do it. So if you go in iMovie and you make a video, you go to edit it and stuff like that. Most everything is self-explanatory. You have the split, you have detach, which is the audio, which I could take this audio, detach it, and then you have delete. You have different text. You could have it up here, you could lower it, and all of those simple things. And with this clip, I have already edited. It's crazy, but it's true. Let's go. So I have the green screen edit of that recording thing over it, and I have audio that I put in myself and all the sound effects, and I edited that clip myself. So with the green screen, first I will show you. With the green screen, you click on the image and you click the little three dots, hit green/blue screen. It comes in. Once you do that, it will pop up automatically. You can see that it's on the video on the black screen without the green. And when I move it over, now you can see that my green screen edit is on the screen. And you could do that with anything you get or screen record, and you can put it on the video. Sometimes you would have to, say you want to zoom it in, you hit this picture down here, the two rectangles, cutaway, zoom it in, you go back to the two rectangles, green screen, now it's on your screen and it's bigger. I don't know how to move it around the screen, but I know how to do that much, and it's nice and simple. What I normally do with audio is go right into YouTube. No copyright, because we don't want to get copyright. Let's just click on anything. Dislike this ad. Okay, so now I'm screen recording. Here's the audio. I will screen record like 5 seconds of it. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now stop the screen recording. Now I'm screen recording. You hit the plus sign. You go to your videos, recently added. You hit here, the three buttons, audio only. Boom, the audio comes in. This can delete because it's the same thing. Then you hit play. Now you have different music over your video. Easy. And then you want to fade it, you go to the ends, you could fade it, turn up and down the audio, all that stuff. Nice and simple. Here's something that I learned. Let's say you're a YouTuber and all you do is record on the phone. If you just record on your phone, you don't have a camera or anything like how I have now, you can go to your settings in your phone, go to camera, record video, change it. You could put it up to 720, 30 frames, 1080, 30 frames, 1080, 60 frames, 4K, 30 frames. I personally like 1080 with 60 frames because 60 frames looks a lot better than everything else on here. 4K will make the image look a lot more clear. Like you can see more motion and stuff like that with the 60 frames. You go to your camera, you can see up at the top, it says HD. Right, it says HD 60. I think that's inverted on my screen, that I can't see it, but it's just a HD 60. And now you're recording with that. You can see me, I'm black. When you're starting YouTube on your phone, have the YouTube Studio app where you could see all your analytics and stuff like that. Your videos, all the comments, you can turn that on. You can use YouTube. Another thing that I learned is if you go on Safari or Google, so you log into your account and you go to YouTube. Once you go to YouTube, you hit the little square, I mean not square, circle, Where's your profile picture? If this thing would ever load in. Once you hit it, mine is already in the mode. But what you want to do is change the setting into desktop mode. That way you can do all the things that you would do on a computer, like your end screen, the creator studio, all of that stuff, your cue cards, all that you can see on here. I could go to my video, I could see the info, end screen, cards, subtitles, promote it. Mostly I do the end screen because, you know, of course I'm a beginning YouTuber, all that stuff. I could put in my end screens when I download, and when I have YouTube desktop mode on here. And you can see at the bottom you have the mobile version where you can't do all of that. It's like regular YouTube. As you see, I switched here. Now you would go here, hit the desktop, and boom, it switches it. It would look different, and there you go. Some people ask me, how do I edit? Depending on what type of video I have or what type of video I created, depending on how long it is, I will typically, say I'm editing a vlog, I'll typically edit everything that's like dead space, like me not talking or me like doing something that's like boring. I'll watch through it, see what I want to keep in the video, and what I want to keep, I keep. Whatever I don't want, I cut it out, delete it. Okay, let's use this as an example. If I don't want this fade to be in, so I will cut it here, right where the two bars meet, right here. Cut it here, delete this. Then when I hit play, it comes straight in, and I have the audio muted. When I hit play, it comes straight in. Before, it was just like this. A quick dark screen coming. When it comes to making your thumbnails, I have an app called PixArt. I believe it's free, but there are some in-app purchases that I don't purchase because there's no need for me to. So I took a picture just a second ago from my thumbnail, this weird cringy picture that I might actually use. So you go to set tools, crop. I normally put it on YouTube, so it fits perfectly for my YouTube stuff. And then, like, of course, you find a title of something like YouTuber on iPhone. Boom. So just put it where there's space where people can see it. I'm wearing a white shirt and it's a white font. So I put it there. Change it to this. Click on the words, I add a stroke to it so it pops out a little bit, and I add a shadow to it so it pops out a little bit, and then boom, you have a nice easy thumbnail. I really hope that got recorded. Okay, so you have a nice easy thumbnail there. I just took a picture, added words on it, and boom, your thumbnail should be or should portray something from the video. So I'm talking about being a YouTuber on your iPhone. My thumbnail says YouTuber on iPhone. Very simple. And then you title your video. Another thing you want to do when you're doing YouTube is tagging your video. I'm still learning how to tag properly. I know that some of my videos have done very well with their tags. For example, how to do Killmonger hairstyle. You can see here that in my tags I have some, this is when I first did YouTube. This is my very first video, so I was just learning how to do YouTube, and these are the tags I chose to put in them. And then that video got to 12,000 views, which is not bad, just because it was a perfect video idea and I put the tags in correctly, and therefore it reflected that.
Bro, so I've been on this for 4 years, bro. Views go up, views go down. When I had 400K subs, I was getting 400K views a video. Every video. And this is, y'all on Social Blade right now and go back and check. But views go up, views go down. When people fuck up, when shit's down, they stop. How the fuck you gonna come back up? If you would stop when you down for months, so keep posting through it. I've seen people fall off, I refuse. Yeah, keep posting. Bro, like, You know what I'm saying?
My screens now, bro.
People would notice the work that you pull in. And even when the views are down, they see this dude's still grinding, you gonna come back, bro. You gonna come back. And that's not falling off, that's common. Yeah. Falling off is you choose to fall off. You know what I'm saying? Because your views down, I mean you fall off. If you stop, you choosing to fall off. You know what I'm saying?
I just edit videos to what I like. If I like to watch it, I'm gonna put it up because that's what I want to do on YouTube. I like to watch what I create. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below. I'll answer you guys. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, everything down below. Follow my social medias, all that. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.